When receiving in PeakWMS, you have two options. You can receive and put away in the same process, or you can split the process in two. Which setting is most suitable for your shop depends on the size of your warehouse, size of products, and so on. You can change your settings at any time. To receive your items, you access the Worker dialog and choose Receiving. The Worker dialog is your tool belt when working with your warehouse processes. In Receiving, PeakWMS will show you all open purchase orders available for receiving. You simply choose the purchase order you want to receive. If you have many open orders and aren't sure which one you are about to receive, simply scan one of the products. When scanning the product, PeakWMS will show open purchase orders containing the product. When receiving and put away are set as a combined process, PeakWMS will ask you to put away the received item directly after scanning and confirming the amount. If receiving and put away are separate, PeakWMS will ask you to scan the item into a load unit before putting the item away. The processes are split and 2 or more employees can share the workload. If the product already has available stock in the warehouse, PeakWMS will ask you to place the newly received items at the same location as the existing stock. Location for existing stock will be marked with green. It is entirely up to you if you want to place the items in the same location as existing stock. PeakWMS will ensure that the oldest item is picked first. And don't worry, PeakWMS remembers where your stock is placed, so you don't have to. When items are received and put away, orders containing the items that are on hold will be released for picking.